In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Gmail password on your PC or laptop using Chrome. But first, it's essential to clarify that for this method to work, your Gmail password must have been previously saved in Chrome. This video will also guide you on how to ensure your account remains secure while managing your passwords effectively. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open your Chrome browser. Once Chrome is open, look towards the upper right corner of the window. You'll find three dots stacked vertically. This represents the menu icon. Click on these three dots, which will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll select the option labeled Settings. This section serves as the command center for customizing various browsing experiences on Chrome. Within the Settings page, you'll see a variety of options, but our focus for today is on those managing autofill information. So glance to the left sidebar and locate Autofill. Click on it, and then select Passwords. This is where all your saved password details are stored. In the password section, a list of all the websites for which you have saved passwords will appear. There's a handy search box at the top right of the password manager. This is extremely helpful if you have numerous saved entries. Simply type in accounts.google.com or gmail.com into the search box to filter through the list and isolate the Google-related entries. Now, beside your Gmail account entry, you'll see an icon resembling an eye. Clicking on this eye icon is the key to viewing your saved password, but be forewarned. For security reasons, Chrome won't just reveal your password directly. It needs to authenticate your identity to ensure that it is actually you trying to access the sensitive information. Depending on how your computer is set up, you will either have to enter your computer password, or it might prompt you to use biometrics such as a fingerprint or facial recognition to verify your identity. Once you've completed this authentication step, Chrome will then reveal your saved Gmail password. It's as simple as that. This method is secure and ensures your passwords are safeguarded until you really need to see them yourself. And there you have it. You've learned how to view your Gmail password right from Chrome. Remember, keeping your passwords secure is of utmost importance. Consider using password managers to help manage them and enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.